You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
So now let's start with lab number 54. So in lab number 54, we are configuring offline Outlook access. So for this, first, I'll go to my Nita WKST01 and resume the machine. Now remember, I suspend my machines. So sometimes it could get a little bit dicey. If you are suspending your machines just like how I do, remember that it's okay. Nothing is going to break. Nothing will go wrong. Just don't be afraid of actually doing something. All right, so first I'm going to log in here. So administrator, because I already know that the user is administrator, if I really want to, I could technically just go like this. Nita /administrator and password 1350. It would lead to the same outcome. Now, because I had this on restored mode or suspended mode, I have a few things open that were from the previous labs. It's not a problem. Go to Google Chrome, click on the mail, and you're back on the Outlook. So otherwise, you can also type in https://netaexh01/.neta.local/owa/ and you still get to the same location. Now, the reason why we don't get all the advanced and everything is because we added this website to the internet options that trust this website always. Now, I'm going to log in as the user T Cruz and the password 1350. And when I click on sign in, now I might not have signed in as Tom Cruise ever. So it is possible that you would get this. So it's not a problem. You just select the time and everything, date and time, click on save. And you're here. Now, once you're here, we generally work with new and then we look at all of these things, and the bell icon and everything, the notifications icon and everything. But right next to it, there is a settings wheel. I click on the settings wheel and I click on offline settings here. So all I need to do is just turn on the offline settings. It will ask me, are you the only person who uses this computer? I say, let's say yes. It will ask me if you want to do this next. I click on next. And to create a bookmark, I have to do Control D. So I do Control D. Done. Click on next and OK. Now this is done. Now I have offline access here. Now once this is done, I click on OK at the top. Then I log out. Oh, sorry. Then I send a new mail. So a few things I have to make sure that they are all working here. So let me just quickly double check those things. So yes, we needed to navigate to the bookmarks icon bar here and then click on Tom Cruise. Now when I click on that, it will again bring us back to the same thing. So it's basically a moot point, yes. But now I click on new and I send the email to administrator. Administrator neta.local. And the email would be test. This is a test email. Or this is a short message, let us say. This is a short message. Why change things around when we can avoid it? Click on send. Now you can see that it was in the outbox and then it left. Now we can ensure that this email is here, it's in the drafts. You can see it's in the drafts now. It was first in the outbox, then it was in the draft, and then it came into the sent items. Okay, now that this is done, we are going to quickly go open a new incognito tab here and log into the same OWA website again. But this time, I'm going to log in as the administrator. sign in, and I should see the email from Tom Cruise. And we just want to ensure that this is all working properly. And that's the end of the lab here. So I'm going to close all the open windows here, and I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.